gonna try racing this train to the next town. Here we go. Gotta get through these stop signs. Make it around these curves here. Doing a little faster than 25, but that's alright. Finding me another stop sign, Gonna hang a lefter here, see if I can't get it underneath the bridge in time. Yep, and I believe there he went. He just crossed the bridge right there. Now he's kind of like me right now. He's picking up some speed, so I'm gonna have to really pick up my pace because all he's gotta do is go straight. I gotta make some turns and stuff. And obviously, hopefully not deal with slow people like I am right now in front of me. Dang it, man. The engines are right on the other side of that woods right there. Right there he is. Now this car's turning right, so he's gonna have to deal with the train. Really kicking it up now. Dang it, gotta show some respect to our postal service people. Thank you. As you can see, that sign there says there's a lot of curves coming up. As I'm dealing with these curvy roads, that train still gets to go straight, doing probably 50 or so. Dang it, man. Oh, it's gonna be tight. Woo! I found the straightaway. Time to get her going again, man. He should be right here beside me. Oh, I'm beating him. He ain't at this intersection. Woo-hoo! I gotta get ahead of him across the railroad track so I can make it through the next town. Oh shoot, he's in sight now. He's right over there, man. I got her about 75 right meow. There's an intersection here. I gotta make sure I get up to this next intersection, but I got 3 curves or so that I gotta hit before I cross the railroad tracks. Let's see if he's down now. Did he make it? Nope, I don't see him. Don't see him yet. Oh, but I see all the cars back that way. Dang it, man. This is gonna be really close. Really close. Woo! I saw the engine. I'm just ahead of it, but look ahead of me. Wouldn't you know? More freaking curves. 15-mile-an-hour curves. Let's see how fast we can do them without rolling this truck. He's right over the side of that hill. Woo! These rails look like they're still up. I think I got a chance. Do I got it? Ah. Punching it. Woo! Holy cow. That was nuts. He's gonna hit that track right there. I'm on this side of it now. He's just now crossing that intersection back there, but I think I gotta cross one more railroad track. I got a daggum curve coming up right here. Woo! Railroad track's going down right there. Those rails are down. Dang it, man. He's really picked up speed now. I'm not gonna make this next one. That one's down too. There he is. Just a getting it. Dang it, man. Dang. He beat me. He beat me. Oh, boy's scooting now. I didn't even have a chance. And once he hit the top of that hill and he's coming downhill, he was able to get speed real quick. Dang. Well, shoot. Knock, knock. Can I come in now? Thank you. big curve over there. Oh boy, is just getting it. Man, that train is doing every bit of 70 mile an hour. I was just at 70 and he was still pulling away from me. Dang it. Well, we'll go to this town, see if we can't find a train here and see what happens and see what comes up on the radar here. Here I am in the next town and he beat me, man. Dang. Another pretty cool bridge.